Hello, in the previous video I explained how to prepare the test case for automation testing. There are two ways to execute a test case, either using GUI or using desktops. In this video I will explain how to execute the test case for desktop using GUI. To start the execution, click on the execute test case button. From the pop-up, click on Via GUI button. Under Via GUI button you will find two types of testing, functional and automation. Click on the automation button. This will open the RIDE. Wait till the RIDE opens. The RIDE has been opened. Click on the test case name by checking the checkbox button. Now go to the Run tab and edit the arguments by giving the same name as the test case name. So it is BA_calci_TC_001. Once the argument is given, click on the Start button to start the execution. Wait till the execution is completed. Now the test case has been executed successfully. To view the report of the executed test case, click on the report button here. To go to the log of the test case, click on the log button here. To go back to the report, click on the report button here. Once the test case is executed, you can now close the RIDE. This is how you have to execute a test case for desktop using GUI. In the next video, I will explain how to analyze the results for the test case, which is executed in this step. To post your projects, visit our website, TestOnNeed.com. For further more assistance, contact us on sales@testonneed.com. Do connect with us on our Twitter and LinkedIn accounts. Stay tuned. Thank you.